Hello. Have you ever wanted to plant a garden? You need to have the right foundation. You have to make sure that the ground is as clean as possible, that your seeds are going to be okay. You have to make sure that you tend to your garden every single day. You water it, you take care of it. You make sure that the weeds aren't choking it out and all the other bad things that can happen to it. You try to prevent it. It's the same as parenting. Parenting is a non-stop job. But it needs to start with a good foundation. That doesn't mean that you can't be poor or something like that. It has nothing to do with finances. It has all to do with morals and child rearing. If the foundation of a child's life is poor, then just like a seed, the outcome, the yielding of that fruit is uncertain. You know, it is true for those of us who are gardeners. You know that there are products out there that are only for grown plants. If you put them on seeds or immature plants, it could burn them and stunt their growth, destroy them. And that's the same thing with topics for children. Children cannot and should not endure adult topics, movies that are too scary for them, music that is full of curse words and adult content, sexual topic TV shows. That type of stuff is not for a child. That's adult content. You should not force that on a child. And it's just as ridiculous to do so as if you took products and chemicals and doused it on seeds that are obviously not able to handle the damage that it can cause. Will be permanent. You know, growing up, I always heard, do as I say, not as I do. But as an adult, I realized that that really doesn't fit the bill. A child is going to do as they see. If you're a smoker, guarantee your child might end up growing up being a smoker too. If you're a drinker, the same. You know, if you're a reader, most likely that child is going to be a reader. You can imprint you on your child with your good and or bad habits that you have. Summer's approaching us, and it's the perfect time to plant our gardens. Please keep in mind to try your best to start off with a good foundation. Just as I see the children coming out to play, I hope they have a good foundation too. And they will, just like the trees, hopefully will bear good fruit. You have a great day, and I encourage you to live like you're living.